Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you get Instacart Mastercard on your Instacart app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go up, you click here in this sign here in app. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on play Instacart Mastercards here. You come to this list, so just switch into open video. Then all you have to do, you just click here on play now here. So then it's going to take you to next step, so you just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do before that, when it's going to show for you a list here, so it's going to take a time with you to open, so you just have to wait in. So then after that, it's going to show for you list to add your information to get you your Instacart Mastercard on your Instacart app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.